I love being around plants and trees because it helps me to have a good mood, and also it soothes me. It makes me forget about all my problems, whatever problem I have. It is so satisfying, and it gives me this kind of aromatherapy because some of the plants smell so nice. It makes me have a good day when I'm around flowers and plants. So I try my best to really have plants and flowers around me. Look at the garden, it's a bit bushy. Even we have mowed it twice already. Look at all this. There's so much job in the garden for me to do, and I don't mind because these jobs make me happy. They make me happy. These jobs makes me happy. Yeah. Over the other week and last week, we've been having trips to the garden center to pick some plants that we love. Some were here already, but they were not perennials, so they died off. And so this time we plan that we'll pick a lot of perennial plants. Look at that ivy plant climbing the shed. It has a lot of work to do on it. The wind broke that fence, so we need to replace the fence. And these are some of the soils I have. This plant is a new one. Oh, we've got soil here. We have topsoil and we have multi-purpose multi-purpose manure. Yeah, sometimes I mix them. Depends on what you are planting. These are new. They are peppers, hot chili pepper, and I've got some plants that today I'm going to do. Oh, look at Mr. Shaggy, Mr. Kafintu, my sweetheart. He always helps me. Today is not supposed to be free, but because I'm in the garden, yeah, I want to do some transplanting of some new plants. Over here, just around the stairs, I have some bulbs which flower earlier in the year. Around March, April, they flowered beautifully. Some pink bulbs which bring some lilies, but they have finished flowering. And I want another plant here which will also be there permanently. So if the bulbs come and go, these ones will still be there. So my husband is helping me to make a way to plant the new plants. I've got jasmine, and I've got red tea Fortimia. Yeah, it's like people use it for hedge, but I want it as a shrub standing there. Yeah, this is the red tea Fortinia, and that's the jasmine, the green one. Yeah, this bowl, this pot, I call it my plant bed. I'm going to transplant these peppers inside today, and I've got, oh, see who is here. That's a type of weevil, or I don't know, a type of ladybird, what something. I miss it in Africa. I've been seeing a lot of it. Most of it comes out from wood, I mean dry wood or something. Yeah, I've not seen it in a long time. Hello. I don't like touching it. I don't know whether it's dangerous or it sting. Yeah. So this is a bag of soil I want to put here, and I'll add the others to it, mix them if necessary. Yeah. My husband is such a hard worker. Now he's making the holes where the plants will go. The first one goes in there. It's not enough, so I added the multi-purpose one also, and then I put the topsoil back on it before the plant goes in there. I was doing it and he advised me that let the topsoil be on top. It's sensible, isn't it? Oh my God, look at me. I was so tired, but I was determined to do what I was doing. It's like black soil in Ghana, but it's full of nutrients for the plants. Multi-purpose, whatever. Mulch. Oh. Yeah, bringing out the pepper plants. I used to do nest pepper myself, but I couldn't be bothered this time. Actually, when it was time to nest them, I wasn't feeling too well, so I wasn't concentrating on them. Yeah. So this is where I'm going to plant them. They are spicy hot, seriously spicy hot. They are called, I'll remember the name and tell you. Something wog. Not gollywog, something wog. So much hot and spicy. Yeah, here I like using my hands. These are not garden gloves, but unfortunately the garden gloves we have lots of them, but they are all bigger than my hands. So when I'm doing it, it keeps coming out. Yeah. More soil. Beautiful. I love seeing plants like this. Can you believe I can put on the camera and start just looking at the plants at the back and the front yard? Here are my holes. My holes. Yeah. Neatly done for me. Yeah, this is the Fortimia. People use it as hedge. It has this shiny, beautiful shiny leaves, and I love it. We all love it. So I want it to just be here. When I'm standing at the kitchen window, I want to be looking at all these plants. I was doing it and Daddy advised me that the hole is too deep, so I should fill it again with some soil. So I'm putting in some of the mulch, and then I'll raise it, which was very sensible. Oh, that was the topsoil. Yeah. Can you see that? Ah, two heads are better than one. And topping up with the soil again. The plants came with some supports, some sticks, so I pushed the sticks down, but I think that part is not on camera. Oh, it's so soothing to do this when your hands are in the soil and you are smelling the soil, and oh, it's so good. It's so satisfying. But I was tired though. Here my waist was just giving up. Yeah, that's the label, the name of the plant. Sometimes I just think it's a whole lot of, oh, poor you girl. I was so much, and I felt dizzy when I bent down like that, but I was okay afterwards. Now the jasmine goes in,
I think that's okay.
but I'm filling the hole with some soil first. It's so nice when you get up in the morning, you see all the, and I'm very lucky. We are very blessed to be in a place where birds, they sing to us every morning, even in the afternoon and in the evening. I don't know if you can hear right now. I'm sitting up in bed doing treatment right now, and I'm enjoying the chirping of the birds. Yeah, so jasmine is going in.
You think it's deep enough or late?
I have been doing this over the years, but I just thought that this time let me share with you what I do when I am bored, or when I'm sad, or when I'm things I do to make myself happy. You know, definitely that cooking is one of it, but yeah, we can't be cooking and eating. I do other things as well. Yeah, can you imagine in the morning when you just grab a cup? I don't even drink a lot, but just grab a cup of tea. Hey, I don't take coffee. And then you walk through the garden. He was laughing at me that I look tired, and I show him the fork, the garden fork. Yeah, this, I went for this support, plant support. I bought this plant support about 3 years ago. So I just went for one, and I'm supporting the plant because I realized that they were too wide on the floor. Yeah, so I want to bring them together. Yeah, into that support. I was having a bit of a hard time, and he was telling me, turn the support, and then the branches will go inside.
Yeah, go the other side.
Yeah, turn it. My back was killing me. Finally, I got it. Even as I'm watching, I still feel like I should be there. Oh, sorry, babe. After this, the way I had a very hot shower.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the second part. I put them inside, and I'm filling the holes with the sand. Is it sand? Soil. This jasmine. This star jasmine plant. I intentionally wanted it for here because the scent, is it aroma? No, aroma is for food, yeah. the perfume in the plants, the flowers of the plants. Oh, they are so nice. You see, you see the soil in this soil. This soil is the soil we got from digging the hole, and it's very good soil. So I was going to pull it down, and I put that thing there, that log over there. Is it log or whatever? I thought he would drag it down for me. He said, let me just carry this thing. I don't have time to. This thing. it's a what is it called? Something by 4. So he put the soil down, and I divided it into my other bowls, other pots, and I'm going to fill them up with the different soils, and then I'll transplant my things inside. This is the topsoil, and then I'll give it the mulch soil. Here is it. Multi-purpose manure. I gave it, and then I topped it up with the topsoil again. This is the manure first, the mulch. Any plants you want to plant, read about them, or do research about them to see the type of soil that they need, because it's not every soil type that is good for every plant. The soil we have bought in this house, the first time we bought soil, they brought hey we bought a big sack of soil. It will be about, I don't want to lie, it was so big, like almost a poly tank, a small poly tank. And they couldn't bring it to the back of the house for us, so they left it at the front, and then we had to be traveling up and down. So this time we just bought little sacks of soil. We don't want to be going up and down like that. This bowl is my spring onion bowl, and I've nested some. This is spinach. I'm going to transplant the spinach into one of those bowls. And this is aubergine, those beautiful long aubergines. Not the big ones. I'm going to transplant them also in this one of the bowls. And both aubergine and spinach, they grow big, so this bowl is good for it. This is what I'm going to do. I'll just put this under it and lift it up and transplant them one by one. Ta-da! They are done. Beautiful. I enjoyed doing it. And that's the aubergine. Was it aubergine, or it was white garden egg? I forgot though. This is rainwater. We always harvest rainwater. Whatever we have and rainwater goes inside, we get them together into a big bowl. This I have already watered it before I remember to video. So that's why I'm just pouring a little bit. I watered and put back the soil, so you wouldn't see that I watered, but I did. They have what later in the evening, Michael and Jill will water everything. They will soak the soil very, very well and water everything in the garden. That's why I didn't soak the whole soil, and it will be too heavy. Oh, look at them. This is what I did today. Summary. in a nutshell, I transplanted pepper, marigold. Oh, not marigold. Fortimia, and all this. Oh, happy, happy, happy.